In this video, we will show you 10 free online courses from Harvard University that can pay you $6,000 a month with a side hustle, or get you a full-time role that pays up to $160,000. Yes, you heard that right. Graduating from an Ivy League institution can be an asset in the job market. It increases your chances of getting a job and results in a higher earning potential. However, getting into an Ivy League school is challenging and expensive. For instance, Harvard University has an acceptance rate of 3%. In other words, of every 100 students who apply, only 3 are admitted. For this reason, many people think getting into an Ivy League university like Harvard is out of their reach. But what if we tell you that you don't have to pay expensive tuition fees to get a Harvard certificate on your resume and attract employers willing to pay thousands of dollars per month? Make sure you watch this video until the end to learn how to apply for any of these online courses for free. 1. Computer science. Harvard offers one of the best entry-level courses on the fundamentals of computer science and the art of programming for people with little or no experience. So if you're looking to start a career in computer science, this is the best place to start. You will learn about abstraction, algorithms, data structure, and software engineering. In addition, you will also learn the basics of programming languages like C, Python, SQL, JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. With this knowledge, you can learn how to build websites and offer this service as a freelancer, charging anywhere from $50 to $500 per project. Of course, how much you charge would depend on your experience level and skill. 2. Data science. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor, employment of data scientists is projected to grow 35% from 2022 to 2032. So if you're planning to become a data scientist, you're on the right path. And what better way to start than with a free online course from Harvard? You will learn the basics of data science and how to use programming languages such as Python and SQL to solve real data science challenges for companies willing to pay you money. The average data analyst salary in the US is $80,000. But if you don't want to go full-time, you can offer your service as a freelancer on Upwork or Fiverr and make anywhere from $50 to $300 per project. 3. Game development. If you love video games but want to learn how to build them yourself, Harvard offers a free online course on game development. You will learn how to build some of your favorite video games such as Mario Bros, Pokemon, Angry Birds, and more. But the best part is that you can use this newfound knowledge to build a lucrative side hustle. Mobile game developers earn between $78,213 and $96,318 annually. However, this is just the average salary, as you can earn less or more than this amount depending on your experience level. 4. Persuasive writing and public speaking. Effective communication is one of the most important skills that you can possess in your career. If you struggle with persuasive writing and public speaking, then this free online course from Harvard is what you need to improve your skills. You will learn how to stand out whether you are talking or writing. One of the best ways to monetize this skill is to offer copywriting services. Knowing how to persuade people to take action is an invaluable skill that will always bring you money. You can earn anywhere from $50 to $500 for every sales copy you write for a company. And if you know how to upsell your services as a freelancer, you can even make more money every month. 5. Entrepreneurship in emerging economies. At first glance, the title of this next free online course from Harvard, Entrepreneurship in Emerging Economies, seems like a topic useful for only entrepreneurs from a developing country. However, this is far from it. Entrepreneurship in Emerging Economies is a free business and management course that is useful for anyone who wants to learn how to get rich in any economy. It teaches you how to innovate and see business opportunities where others see challenges. So if you are looking to start a side hustle and you really want to learn the fundamentals of entrepreneurship, you should definitely go and take this course. 6. Cybersecurity. As governments and organizations are becoming increasingly aware of the risks of cyber attacks, so is the demand for cybersecurity experts. Cybersecurity is one of the most rewarding career choices for anyone in this age. The demand for cybersecurity experts is high, yet there is only a few certified professionals. But with this free online course from Harvard, you will learn important cybersecurity skills such as ethical hacking, SQL injection attacks, social engineering, phishing attacks, biometrics, viruses, and many more. With these skills, you can offer any of the following services: become an ethical hacker, build and sell cybersecurity tools, become a cybersecurity writer, or start an auditing agency. The best part is that the starting salary of a cybersecurity expert is about $50 per hour, which is more than $6,000 per month for a full-time role. 7. Contract law. Did you know that you can learn contract law from Harvard and offer legal services to earn up to $250 per hour? Harvard's free online course on contract law teaches you the basics of contracts, as well as how to interpret and enforce them. This is a critical skill that is not just needed by lawyers. With this skill, you can offer freelance contract drafting services and earn anywhere from $25 to $250 per hour, depending on your experience level. 8. Artificial intelligence. With all the buzz about artificial intelligence, now may be the perfect time for you to get started and understand what it is all about. But what better place to start than Harvard University? Harvard offers a free online course on artificial intelligence that teaches you everything you need to know about AI through hands-on projects. In other words, you get to learn one of the most in-demand skills from the best professors from one of the best schools in the world for free. There are many side hustles you can start with your knowledge of artificial intelligence. AI data annotation, AI content creation, generative AI, and AI consultancy are some of the services you can offer and earn between $30 to $100 per hour. 9. Python programming. Python has become one of the most popular programming languages in recent years. It is easy to learn and incredibly useful in a range of applications from data science to machine learning, building websites, and software testing. Harvard offers an introductory course to programming using Python. It teaches you technical skills such as how to write code, test, and debug it. The best part about the course is that it teaches you how to solve real-world programming problems that will help you master the basics of Python. The salary range for a Python developer is between $85,000 to $160,000, or up to $150 per hour. 10. Introduction to nutrition. Last but not least is Introduction to Nutrition. With all the hype around diet and nutrition, it has become one of the easiest ways to make money. You can learn the science of cooking for free at Harvard and become a nutrition expert. Some of the ways you can monetize this skill includes becoming a freelance nutrition consultant, creating a meal plan or recipe book, becoming a personal chef, starting a YouTube channel on nutrition, or through affiliate marketing. As promised at the beginning of the video, here is how you can enroll for any of the free courses mentioned in this video. Go to www.edx.org and click on Take a Course at the top left corner of the homepage. You will find thousands of free courses offered by over 250 reputable institutions, including Harvard. Refine your search using the checkboxes on the left side of the page. To find free courses offered by Harvard, select School and Partner and search for Harvard University among the list of schools. Click on Apply to confirm your selection. Harvard currently has 163 free online courses. Go through the list and enroll for any course of your choice. It is important to know that although all the courses offered are free, there is a few situations where you are required to pay for the certificate. There are also different eligibility requirements, so make sure to read those requirements before you enroll on a course. It's that time to solidify your learning. Why don't you watch another video as we grow together? Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification for more tips on how you can make money online.